What's up mga ka-tripulants? It's me, Cap Miko once again. At pag-uusapan naman natin ay kung paano maging isang seaman sa Pilipinas at kung ano-ano ang mga requirements. Unang-una, dapat ikaw ay nakakompleto na ng senior high school o meron ka ng high school diploma dahil yan ang minimum requirement para ikaw ay maging isang seaman. Pangalawa, you have to undergo a maritime training and there are over 100 maritime training centers that offers courses for aspiring seafarers. Katulad ng mga sumusunod, Basic Safety Training o yung BST, Personal Survival Techniques o yung sinasabi nilang PST, at yung Marine Pollution Prevention and Response courses. Ang mga certificates sa mga training na yan ang kinakailangan mong dokumento upang ikaw ay makakuha ng Seaman Book o yung tinatawag nating Seafarers Identification and Record Book, kung saan iyan ang magiging passport mo kapag ikaw ay gustong magbarko. O kaya nga tinatawag yung Seafarers Passport. And if you have decided to become an OFW or gusto mo mag-overseas, you also have to secure a passport. That's all for now mga ka-tripulants. See you on my next vlog. Peace.